Hi everyone, hope you're well and staying safe. Hopefully by now you've seen one of the episodes or a few of the episodes of the Meet the Products mini-series we've been doing, and they're available on social media and on our YouTube channel. In conjunction with that, we've also got this nice little product selector which we've come up with, quite nice to hold in your hand while you're flicking through it. And we've basically got a lot of products in here that we've been talking about on the videos. It's all color coded, so it has the manufacturer's names down the front and different colors, and then you can literally flick through. There's a little bit of information about valve and process, and then you can get into the different manufacturers. So Westlock, for instance, or you want to go a bit further through, maybe at Schuff, or possibly at the A-Flex hoses. So it's quite nice just to flick through. It's got a nice little ring in there, so if you want to hang it up in your office or somewhere so you don't lose it. If it's just one particular product that you're interested in, you can quite easily open the ring at the top, and you can take out the relevant piece and hang on to that and dispose of the rest of it if you want to. I'd like you to keep the whole thing because I think there's some really good stuff in there. We are going to be adding to this over a period of time, so we're possibly going to be putting some more inserts in there for different products and things like that. But it's a really useful tool, especially if you can't remember something that we've showed in one of the videos and you want a quick reference, or maybe you're just flicking through and you're looking for a particular product for a particular application. Each section's got the main products in the range listed, and some of the various different features and benefits of each product on there. So it's a really useful little tool. If you would like a copy, if you follow the email address at the end of the video and send us your email details, your address, etc., we'd be happy to post one out to you. Thanks very much for watching.